Osmo Nano, using audio capture device. The camera has built-in microphones and supports external audio capture devices. DJI Mic Series. The camera can connect to two DJI wireless microphone transmitters simultaneously. Enter the control center. Tap wireless microphone and then TX1. Follow the instruction on the screen to link. To connect two transmitters simultaneously, repeat the above linking process for the second transmitter. Once the transmitter is linked to the camera will show the wireless microphone parameter settings automatically. You can adjust the audio parameters of the transmitter, such as the monitor volume. And the current volume level will be shown in the live view of the camera. Additionally, you can press the linking button to start or stop recording, with the audio being captured by the transmitter.